Nnamdi Kanu appeals life sentence. What this means for Nigeria and the Southeast. Ndị Igbo ndewono. Welcome to Igbo Area TV. Today we are going to be talking about something very serious, something that concerns law, politics, and the future of Southeast. We are back again. Nnamdi Kanu is in court again, and you know that he is trying to appeal the judgment that sentenced him to life imprisonment. He has begun the appeal. He's challenging the judgment. He says the trial was faulty. He says important legal issues were ignored. He says his bail applications were not properly addressed. Now, listen carefully. This is not time for shouting. This is not time for emotions. This is time to understand what is happening. As our people say, anyhow. You have to fight it with understanding. It is not about noise. So what we are here to do is to break it down calmly. Some of us he went to court yesterday. They did not understand what it is all about. It is appeal, but you need to know certain things. Now, first, let's understand the situation. A federal high court sentenced Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment on terrorism-related charges. Now, he has gone to the Court of Appeal. He filed many grounds of appeal, about 22 points, challenging how the trial was conducted. He is saying the court ignored some fundamental issues. There were jurisdiction problems. Some of his applications were not resolved. He believes he was not given full fair hearing. Now, in the law, appeal is normal. Any person convicted has the right to appeal. That is constitutional. And that is why he is in the court. So appealing is not about rebellion. It is a legal process. He cannot sit there. You know, even me, it came to a point I was like, I hope these guys are working because the time might soon elapse. But thank God. He is now following due process. Now, we are going to look at what is jurisdiction. Why is it important? One major argument raised is jurisdiction. Now, let's make this simple. If a court does not have power to try a case, then everything it does may become questionable. It is like a village meeting. If a matter belongs to certain people, not Umuada, and Umuada start trying, getting involved, trying to judge it, people will ask, who gave you the authority? There are matters just like in our villages, this one are assigned to these people, this one are assigned to these people. In law, jurisdiction is authority. Without it, proceedings can collapse. So the appeal court will now examine, did the trial court properly have the authority? Was the correct law applied? Were procedures properly followed? These are technical legal questions, and technical questions decide big cases. Nnamdi Kanu is in jail. He was sentenced to life. That might not be the end of it. Things can be upturned all of a sudden. Apart from that, political solution can still, anything is possible. Now, another issue raised is fair hearing. Fair hearing means both sides must be allowed to present their case properly. It means applications must be considered. It means objections must be addressed. It means the process must look balanced. Now, whether the trial court did this properly or not, that is what the appeal court will decide. We must understand something. Court cases are not decided by emotions. They are decided by records. They are decided by documents. They are decided by procedures. So the appeal court will look at the records. Now let's also look at the political side. Let's not pretend. This case is not just legal. It is political and emotional. Nnamdi Kanu is not an ordinary citizen in the eyes of many, especially Igbo. Some see him as a freedom fighter. Some see him as a controversial figure. Some blame IPOB activities for insecurity. Some blame other people. Some blame government response for escalation. So, any decision concerning him shakes the region. Now, if the appeal court overturns the conviction, the political atmosphere will change immediately. If the conviction is upheld, tension may continue. That is why this appeal is sensitive. But here is the important thing. The streets must not decide this case. The court must decide it. It was where they he said the kite will perish, the eagle will perish. The one that says the other should not perish, let its wings break. There must be balance, there must be fairness. Nnamdi Kanu's case must be properly. So what this means for the Southeast? The Southeast is already under tension. Sit-at-home issues, you saw what Soludo is doing with the Onitsha traders, and it is not totally resolved. We have the economic slowdown, the security challenges, the political distrust. Prolonged legal battle keeps emotion alive. What the region needs now is clarity. Now, whether the appeal court upholds or overturns the conviction, the judgment must be clear, well-reasoned, and transparent. Because this case is now, like we always tell you, it is not just about one man, it is bigger than one man. It has become a symbol. But symbols should not destroy the economy. Symbols should not divide communities. The right hand washes the left and the left washes the right. Nigeria, we will work together if they agree. Dialogue must not die. Legal process must be respected. Now let me speak plainly. This appeal is serious. It cannot be dismissed casually. And if there were procedural errors, they must be corrected. Now, if the trial was lawful and proper, it might be upheld. But one thing is clear. This will be the test of Nigeria's judicial credibility. You know why? People are watching. The Southeast is watching. And even the international community, they are watching. They already saw what is happening. They know that that is not the conclusion. They are watching to see where this goes. You see, justice must not only be done, it must be seen to be done. And we must avoid turning this into emotional warfare. The law will speak, but the law should speak rightly. Because at the end of the day, a correct judgment is better than shouting. My people, calm heads are needed now. Let us calm our head. Careful analysis, respect for the legal process. Let us respect it. The appeal court now carries a heavy responsibility. Let us watch, let us listen, let us remain peaceful. This is Igbo Area TV. If you believe in balanced analysis, share this video. Drop your thoughts in the comments respectfully. And subscribe for more deep analysis on the issue affecting our people. Ndewono, stay safe.